أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربي زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. So Alhamdulillah, we did most of the past and present passive forms yesterday of all the families. Just the last one was left, Istaghfara family 10. So we'll do that first and then we'll look at the light and lightest present tense, how it works. And it also comes in active as well as passive form. So we'll just practice that a little. And inshallah, hopefully today we'll start with the forbidding and the command verbs, inshallah. So let's start. So F10 is istaghfara. What's the present tense of this?
يستغفروا.
يستغفروا.
Yes, yeah, you have to put the either hamza, ta, ya, or noon in the beginning. So it'll be yastaghfiru. Okay. Now, how do we make this passive, past tense?
مستغفرة.
Okay. What we do is you write the word as it is. Then all the jazms, because the jazms will remain the same. And we have u in the beginning. Here ta also has a fatha, so that will also be a dhamma. The jazm letters will remain the same. The ain kalma, the second last letter here, had a here, but we want e here, so it will be kasra, and then the last letter remains the same. So from istaghfara, you get ustaghfira. Okay? Can somebody do the past passive conjugation, please?
Yeah, I can try.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ustughfira, ustughfira, ustughfiru. Ustughfirat, ustughfirata, ustughfirna. Ustughfirta, ustughfirta, ustughfirtuma, ustughfirtum. Ustughfirti, ustughfirtuma, ustughfirtunna. Ustughfirtu, ustughfirna.
MashaAllah. Jazakallah. Okay, that's excellent. Okay. Now, what will happen from istakbara? What will be the past passive?
يستكبروا.
We are still doing the past, right? We're not doing the present right now, so no need to add the ya, ta, ya, noon, alif in the beginning. Sorry, hamza in the beginning. Yeah. So again, we'll write the word, right? Write all the jazms because they will remain the same. Now, all of the harakat in the beginning would turn into dhamma. Before the ain kalma, all of the harakat will turn into dhamma. And on the ain kalma, we will have kasra. The last letter will remain the same. So you have the u and e sound, right? Everybody understands this process?
Yes.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
This is a bigger word, so you've got more harakat to deal with. Otherwise, in the 6 families and other small families, the it's easier to put the harakas because there's not many letters. So over here in the past tense, just you have to be careful that everything before the end kalma, if it has a kasra or a fatha, will become dhamma. And the end kalma will have kasra to make the ue pattern. You know, past passive is always the ue pattern. So here the ue pattern would be ustuk be raw. Ue. So that is the pattern that will it follow. So can somebody do the conjugation for ustuk bira, please?
I will try, inshallah.
Yes, please.
Bismillah. Ustakbirna, ustakbira,
Hmm.
ustakbira, ustakbiru, ustakbirta,
Bira,
ustakbir.
it's the here version.
Ustakbir. Oh, ya Nasrat.
Remember,
Ustakbirat, ustakbirat,
mm-hmm.
ustakbirta,
Excellent.
ustakbirna,
Yes.
ustakbirka,
Ta.
ustakbirta,
Hmm.
anta. Ustakbirta, ustakbirtuma,
Hmm.
ustakbirtum.
Excellent.
Ustakbirti, ustakbirtuma, ustakbirtunna.
Excellent.
Ustakbaru, ustakbirtu,
Yes.
ustakbirna.
Excellent. MashaAllah. So just one thing to keep in mind, the rest was MashaAllah pretty good. When we do istakbarta, it will be ta, not ka, right?
Okay.
Because ka it will always come as attached pronoun.
Hmm.
It can never be part of the ending of a past tense.
Okay.
Okay, so just keep that in mind, inshallah. That ka, kuma, kum, ki, kuma, kunna, they come as attached pronouns. They are not part of the word. Whereas astak, istakbarota, tumatum, ti, tumatunna, they are part of the ending.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
alhamdulillah. Okay, let's do away with this. So the past tense, family 10, everybody's clear. Anybody wants to do for practice?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Yastaghfiru. What will be the passive?
Yustakbaru,
Akbaru.
yustakbaru.
Far.
Yes, it will be U.
Oh,
This will remain the same. And the Ain Kalma will get the A.
Yes.
U and A. This is the pattern for,
present tense.
yes. So it will be Yustaghfaru. Can somebody do the conjugation with Yustaghfaru, present tense?
Inshallah, I will try.
Yes, please.
Bismillah. Yustakbiru, yustakbirani, yustakbiruna. Yustak tastakbiru, tastakbirani,
Tustakbiru. Tustakbiru.
tustakbiru, tustakbirani, burani, birani,
Barani.
barani, tustakbarani, tustakbirna.
Yustakbarna.
Sorry, yustakbirna,
Yes.
tastakbiru,
Baru.
tastakbaru, tastakburani.
Just one thing. Actually, what we are doing is we are doing this. So you have to start with U, right? Yustakbaru. U-a. So you can't change these two harakat throughout.
Okay.
Okay, so keep remember what we did if you were there yesterday, that the with present tense it's little tricky because you have to change this part and you have to change this part, right?
Okay.
Because comes ya, then ta, then ya, then ta, then a, then na. So a lot of changes in both these ends. So just remember, if I don't want speed right now, I just want you to get it correct. And if you are telling me, you can write it down so that you are sure of what you're saying.
Okay.
Okay? So
Okay.
start from the beginning. And u and a, just remember that you stuck bara or you stuck fara. You started with you stuck bara, so we'll continue with that. So I'll write the word here. You just see it and you make the changes. You
Okay.
stuck bara. Okay.
Should be baru, right? You stuck baru.
Oh, sorry. Yes. Jazakallah khair. Yustakbaru, because the Hua version of present tense will
Yes, yes.
always have Dhamma at the end. Jazakallah. Okay. So Yustakbaru. Yes. Can you start again?
Inshallah, I will try.
Yes,
Bismillah.
that's why we're here. Try until we get it, inshallah.
Inshallah. Bismillah. Yustakbaru. Yustakbara.
Yes.
Barani.
Excellent.
Yustakbaruna.
Excellent.
Tastakbaru.
Tu. Remember the U in the beginning?
Yes, yes. Tustakbaru. Tustakbarani. Tustak. Yustakbaruna.
Barna.
Yustakbarun. Yustakbarna.
Yes, always remember. Sorry, I'm again interrupting you. But just always remember that before the noon of Niswa, the letter, whatever letter is, it will get a jazm. So it will be yustakbarna.
Yustakbarna.
Okay, good. Next, Anta version.
Tastakbaru.
Tustakbaru.
Sorry. Tustakbaru.
Hmm.
Tustakbarani.
Hmm.
Tustakbaruna.
Tustakbaruna. Excellent. Yes.
Baruna. Tustakbarina.
Excellent.
Tustakbarun. Tustakbaruna.
Barani.
Tustakbarani. Burani.
Yes.
Tustakbarna.
Barna. Not burna. It's ba with a fatha.
Barna.
Barna. Yes.
Okay. Tustakbarna.
Yes.
Ustakbaru.
Yes.
Nustakbaru.
Excellent. MashaAllah. So just keep in mind the pattern that you need to have, right? And this will happen the more we will do the families. So, for example, if I know that allama has yu'allimu as its present tense. So, if I want to make that into passive, I know that with allama, I need ue sound. So, it will be ullima, which is easy because we've got just four letters. But in yu'allimu, I have to keep in mind what are the harakat in the active, then change it accordingly in the present, in the passive. So from yu'allimu, it will be yu'allamu because I need the a sound. As the u is already there, I just add the a sound. Similarly, in istaghfara, yastaghfiru, we want the U and the E and the A sound, right? In present tense, we don't have the O sound, neither do we have the E sound or A sound on the end kalma. So we need to change both. So from yastaghfiru, it will become yustaghfaru.
Istaghfaru.
So these small details we have to keep in mind so that we then can identify correctly what type of word it is. And this will, inshallah, will practice when we start the recognition exercises. So there you will really have to apply everything that we've done so far, inshallah, in recognizing the words.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Jazakallah khair.
Jazakallah khair.
Anybody for the yustaghfaru, please?
I can go.
Yes, please.
Bismillah. So, yustaghfaru, yustaghfurani, yustaghfiru.
Farani.
Okay. So, yustaghfarani,
Hmm.
yustaghfaruna.
Hmm.
Tustaghfaru, um, uh, then tustaghfarani.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tustaghfarani, then yustaghfarna,
Excellent.
then tustaghfaru, tustaghfarani, tustaghfaruna, then tustaghfarina, tustaghfarani, tustaghfarna, ustaghfaru, nustaghfaru.
Jazakallah khair. Excellent. MashaAllah. So yeah, so just keep in mind the O and the R combination. And because we're so used to yastaghfiru, that then when we change the pattern, it's more of a tongue twister for us in the beginning.
Right. Yes.
So inshallah, and then so everybody's okay with this. Anybody wants more practice in this or any questions
Assalamu
that
alaikum.
you might
Sir,
have?
can you give another, maybe another word to do it?
Okay. Mm,
Or I can use this word also. If you...
yeah, I'm just getting a
Sister,
blank right
can you do
now.
one word with the ending noon?
Okay. Just let me check a word in the dictionary so I know that it is legitimate. If it has okay.
استعلم هذا
Istawana.
استعلم يا
Okay, sure, let's do I don't think Ain Lam Mim comes with the Ist family. What is Takhfara is
How about istakbala?
استعلم
Istakbala.
Istakbala. Yes, Istakbala is easy
Mm.
because with the Ain word, Noon word, it will be Ain, Wow, and Noon. So that is Istawana, and then it becomes Istahan. So it's all irregular, so I don't want to get into that.
وبعين لام ميم as well as like استعلم
Istalama actually Ain Lam Mim, to my knowledge, does not come with family 10. I'll just check to be sure.
because I'm sure when I saw it in the hands where it did say family 10. I don't know, maybe I'm
What about
mistaken.
istakbara?
Yes, yes, it is. It is there. Jazakallah khair. Yeah, I just checked. So we have two words, so two of you can do it. Istalama. Okay, so first istaqbala. Um, we'll do the present tenses. يستقبل and يستعلم.
يستعلم.
So what will be the present tense passive for these words?
يستعلم.
Okay, يستعلم. Can somebody do the conjugation, please?
Yeah, I want to try.
Please.
يستعلم, right? يستعلم. So هو هو يستعلم. هما يستعلمان. هم
You.
يس yeah
Yes.
هم يستعلمون.
Yes.
هي تستعلم.
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 Hmm.
هما تستعلمان.
Yes.
هن يستعمن. أنت
يستعلمن.
يستعلمن.
You make it you.
يستعلمن.
Excellent.
أنت تستعلمت. أنتما
No, تستعلموا.
تستعلموا. أنت تستعلم. أنتما تستعلمان.
Yes.
أنتم تستعلموا. and
تستعلمون.
تستعلمون. أنت تستعلمين.
مينا.
مينا
مينا.
تستعلمين.
Yeah.
أنتما أنتما تستعلمان.
Yes.
أنتن تستعلمن.
Excellent.
أنا يستعلم. نحن
تستعلموا.
مستعلم. نحن نستعلم.
Excellent. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair.
جزاك الله خير.
Okay. Then from yastaqbilu, what will be the passive?
يستقبل.
يستقبل.
Yes, yustaqbalu.
يستقبل.
Can somebody do the conjugation?
Can I try?
Yes, please.
يستقبل.
Yes.
يستقبل. يستقبلان. يستقبلون. تستقبل. تستقبلان. يستقبلن. تستقبل. تستقبلان. تستقبلون. تستقبلين. تستقبلان. تستقبلن. استقبلوا. نستقبل.
MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair.
جزاك الله.
So, Alhamdulillah. So, has everybody understood the passive past tense and passive present tense?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Sister, I wanna do once.
Sure. Let's see.
How about
Istatama.
istatama? Okay.
Yes, istatama is another word. Istamala. Right? These are the two words. What will be the present tense for istamala?
Yustamalu.
Yastamilu.
Yasta. For
Milu. This is the
This is
active.
past tense na.
Istamala is the active past tense, right?
Yes.
And this is the active
Present tense.
present tense. Exactly.
It's not you. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. Yes. I'm making a mistake now. Okay. Istamalu. Yastamilu. Istamala. No, that is fine.
Yes.
That is fine. That's past tense. And yastat aimu. Okay. So what will be the passive for yastamilu?
Yustamalu.
Yes. Yustamalu. A. Okay. So can somebody do the conjugation with yustamalu?
Okay. I will try.
Yes, please.
Hello. Bismillah. Yustamalu. Yustamalani.
Mm.
Yustamalani.
Yes.
Yustamaluna.
Yes.
Tastamalu.
Tustamalu.
Tustamalu. Tustamulani.
Malani.
Tustamalani.
Mm.
Yustamalna.
Excellent.
Tustamalu.
Mm.
Tustamalani.
Mm.
Tustamaluna.
Mhm.
Tastam.
Tus.
Tustamilina.
Malina.
Tustamalina.
Mm.
Tustamalani.
Mm.
Tustamalna.
Mm.
Ustamalu. Nustamalu.
Excellent. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair.
Jazakallah khair, sister.
Okay. And for istat'ama yastat'imu, what will be the passive present tense?
Yustat'amu.
Yes. Yustat'amu. Can somebody do the conjugation?
Okay, I try.
Yes, please.
Yustat'amu, yustat'amani, yustat'amuna.
Mm.
Tustat'amu, tustat'mani, yustat'amna.
Mm.
Sorry. Tustat'amta,
No. Tustat'amu.
tustat'amu, tustat'amani,
Mm.
tustat'amuna.
Mm.
Tustat'ami,
Na.
tustat'amina, yeah. Tustat'amina, tustat'amani, tustat'amna.
Mm.
Tustat'amu, nustat'amu.
Excellent. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair.
This-
So, Alhamdulillah, we are done with our passive and past and present tense practice. And now we move on to light and lightest conjugation. So what happens in the light and lightest conjugations?
Noon drop and tanween.
Yes, but we do not have tanween here. So when we do light present tense, we drop the noons, then the dhamma turns into fatha, Wherever you find a dhamma, it turns into fatha. Then in the hum and antum versions, after dropping noon, we put an alif. Right? Remember we did it yesterday that when we have light ism and light fail, both have noon dropped. So how to tell the difference? The fail one will have this alif, while the ism will not have it. Okay?
Yes,
Yeah.
sister.
And another
Kunyan.
point, yes, the
Yes.
noon of Niswa representing woman does not drop, does not get dropped. So these are the 4 points for the light present tense conjugation that we need to keep in mind. Okay, so we will do fataha, yaftahu, and its passive is yuftahu. So we will do the conjugations, light conjugations. So I'll do the first one writing, and then you can all see the screen and do the next one. So it will be yaftaha, yaftaha, yaftahu, taftaha, taftaha, yaftahna. Right? The noon and niswa does not drop. Then yaftaftahu, taftaha, taftaha, taftahu. تفتحي تفتحا تفتحنا أفتحا نفتحا. Is this clear?
Yes.
So you see where we had the dhammas, they were taken over by the fathas. We have 5 such fails that have fathas at the end. Then the rest, the noon dropped, and we added these alifs to the hum and antum version. And taftahna and yaftahna remain the same. Okay?
Yep.
So I'll just do away with these. Okay. Now, can somebody do the light? Actually, for now, let's move this. I just need to confirm whether we can do it with the passive form, the light version. Inshallah, I'll try to get this and we'll do this. Now you do it with Nasara, sorry, Daraba, which is our next family. Yadribu. Okay. So can somebody do the passive, the light conjugation with Yadribu?
I can try.
Yes, please.
Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So, yadriba, yadriba, yadribu,
Hmm.
tadriba, tadriba, yadribna, then tadriba, tadriba, tadribu,
Hmm.
tadribi or bay?
Hmm. B.
تدريبي okay تدريبي تدريبا تدربنا
Hmm.
then أدربا
Hmm.
and ندربا.
Excellent. MashaAllah. Jazakallahu khair. Okay. Then we have Nasara Yansuru. So can somebody do it with Yansuru?
I attempt it.
Yes, please.
Yansura. Are we doing the light?
Yes.
Yansura. Yansura. Yansuru. Yansuru. Tansur. Tansura. Tansura. Yansurna. Tansura. Tansura. Tansuru. Tansuri. Tansura. Tansurna. Ansur. Ansura and Nansura.
MashaAllah. Jazakallahu khair. Okay. Then we have Samia Yasma'u. Can somebody do with Yasma'u?
I will try, inshallah.
Inshallah. Please.
Bismillah. Samia, Samia,
No,
Samia.
do the present tense light. Do this one with the light.
Yasma'a,
Excellent.
Yasma'a, Yasma'u,
Hmm.
Tasma'a,
Hmm.
Tasma'a, Yasma'una,
Yasma'na.
Yasma'na,
Hmm.
Tas, Tasma'a,
Excellent.
Tasma'a,
Hmm.
Tasma'u,
Hmm.
Tasma'i,
Yes.
Tasma'a, Tasma'ana,
Yes.
Asma'a, Nasma'a.
Excellent. Excellent, mashallah. Jazakallahu khair. Okay. Alhamdulillah, we're moving fast. Then we have Hasiba Yahsibu.
Yes.
Okay. What will be the light of yahsibu?
يحسب
Hasiba.
Yes. Please do the conjugation as well.
Me sister.
Yes, please.
Bismillah. Yasbaha. Yahsaba.
Yahsiba.
Yahsiba. Yahsiba. Yahsibu.
Excellent.
Yahsib. Tahsiba. Tahsiba. Yahsibu. Yahsibuna.
Yahsibuna.
Yahsibna. Tahsiba. Tahsiba. Tahsibu. Tahsibi. Tahsiba. Tahsibna. Ahsiba. Nahsiba.
Excellent, mashallah.
Jazakallah khair.
Okay. Then we have
Samia, yes, ma'am.
we've done Samia Yasma. Karuma yakrumu. So can somebody do with yakrumu?
I will do this.
This one
Yes.
don't have the passive.
Sorry?
Yakrumu.
Don't have passive.
We have to do the
Yes,
light.
but we're not
Yakrum?
doing passive. Yakrumu is active.
Yeah.
Okay. Ekrumu. Ekrumani.
Yakrum.
Ekrum. Ekrum. Ekruma. Ekrumu. Takrum. Takruma.
No, we are doing the light. So you'll have fatha at the end. Yakruma.
Yak.
Start from the beginning. Yakruma.
Okay. Yakruma. Yakruma. Yakrumu.
Excellent.
Kruma. Takruma. Yakrumna.
Yes.
Takruma. Takruma. Takmur. Takmuru.
Takrumu.
Takrumu. Takmurin. Takmuri.
Takrumi.
Takrumi. Takruma. Takmurna.
Rumna.
Takrumna.
Yes.
Akmaru. Akrum. Nakrum.
Akruma.
Akruma. Nakruma.
Yes, excellent. So just remember, inshallah, for further practice, keep the word in front of you, keep seeing the word, right?
Okay.
Because if we change the letters, then it will start like it will change the meaning and the form of the whole word.
Okay.
Okay, inshallah. So
Inshallah.
just keep this in mind that the middle part in the present tense will not change. Only the beginning and the ending, inshallah.
Yakrum. Can
Okay,
I try
now,
one more letter?
sure. We'll do the lightest of the F1 families.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so the only thing that changes is that we have the jazm where the right?
Yeah.
The rest is the same. Okay, Fataha. I've already written the Fataha one, so we'll skip that one to save time. We'll go to Daraba Yadribu. So what will be the lightest version?
Yadrib.
Yes.
Sister, I have a question. So, can you write out the light version for taftahi? So, how do we write taftahi for the light version versus lightest, like what you have written. So
It will be the same.
it will be the same. Oh, okay.
The only difference will be in these words, where we had the fatha at the
Okay.
end. Now
Uh-huh.
we just have the jazm. All
Oh,
of the other words will be the same, and
okay.
how we decide whether it's light or lightest
Uh-huh.
will be with the light or lightest huruf, or inshallah, when we go ahead and do advanced studies, then we will find other reasons for present tense to be light or lightest as well.
Okay, Jazakallah.
Well, yeah. Okay, so can somebody do with yadrib?
Can I attempt it?
Yes, please.
يضرب يضرب يضربا يضربوا تضرب تضربا يضربنا تضرب تضربا تضربوا تضربي تضربا تضربنا أضرب نضرب.
Excellent. MashaAllah. Jazakallahu khair.
جزاك.
Okay, let's go to Nasara, Yansuru. Yes. What will be the lightest version?
Yansur.
Yansur. Okay. Can somebody do the conjugation, please?
Inshallah. Yansur, yansura, yansuru, tansur, tansura, yansurna, tansur, tansura, tansuruna, tansuru, tansuri, tansura, tansurna, ansur, nansur.
Yes. Jazakallahu khair. Excellent. MashaAllah.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we will do Samia, Yasma'u. What will be the Majzoom version? The lightest?
Yes.
Yasma.
Yasma. Good. Can somebody do the conjugation with Yasma? Yes, please.
يسمع 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 تسمع تسمع يسمع يسمعنا
Yasma.
Yasma'na. Yes.
يسمعنا then تسمع
Tasma.
تسمع
Tasma.
تسمع
Tasma.
Hmm.
تسمعي
Tasmai.
تسمع
Tasma.
تسمع
Tasma'na.
أسمع
Yes.
نسمع
Tasma.
Excellent. Okay. Then we do with Hasiba, Yahsibu. What will be the lightest version?
Yahsib.
Yahsib. Excellent. And can somebody do the conjugation, please?
Inshallah, I will try.
Sure.
Bismillah. Yahsib. Yahsiba. Yahsibna. Yahsibu.
Yes.
Tahsib. Tahsiba. Tahsibna.
Yahsib.
Yahsibna. Yahsibna.
Excellent.
Tahsib. Tahsiba. Tahsibu.
Hmm.
Tahsibi.
Hmm.
Tahsiba.
Hmm.
Tahsibna.
Yes.
Ahsiba. Ahsib. Nahsib.
Excellent. MashaAllah. Jazakallahu khair.
Jazakallah khair.
Okay, let's do Karuma, Yakrumu. What will be the lightest version?
Yakrum.
Yakrum. Yes. Can somebody do the conjugation with Yakrum?
Yeah, I will try.
Sure.
Yakrum, yakruma, yakrumu, takrum, takruma, yakrubna,
Hmm.
takrum, takruma, takrumu, takrumi, takruma, takrumna, أكرم
Excellent. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair. So, MashaAllah, our family one light test has been done. Alhamdulillah. So, we have a little more time. If everybody, do you want me to stop here? Because we said 1 hour and 1 hour is up. Okay, no feedback. Then we'll end it here, inshallah, then for today. And then we can do another session tomorrow if possible. Are you all aboard or
Yeah, that's fine, mashallah.
That'll be fine, inshallah.
tomorrow will be fine, inshallah? Okay.
Inshallah.
So, inshallah, we'll do the big 8 families tomorrow, inshallah. And then, inshallah, when we finish those, we will start the forbidding, inshallah.
What time, sister, tomorrow?
Same time, right after
Same time.
Ustaz's class.
Tomorrow is
there is no class now.
Oh, okay. So will it be better for you to start earlier?
Yes.
As Ustaz time.
Okay, inshallah. Then we'll start at it starts around 10:30 my time.
Okay, inshallah.
Okay.
So what I'll do is I'll post the link and then you can join around that time when Ustaz starts.
Inshallah.
So inshallah we'll have a
Inshallah.
little longer session so we can cover more inshallah in that. And it won't be very late for those that are in India and ahead of our time, inshallah.
Inshallah. Jazakallah khair, sister.
Okay,
Jazakumullah
alhamdulillah.
khairan.
Wayak. So any more questions in this regard, please do put in the group as to anything that you want to ask. So inshallah, we'll do that.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, so subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Ameen ya rabbal alameen wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillahi alamin. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Wa alaikum assalam, sister.
وعليكم السلام.
Wa alaikum assalam.